Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can create an opening text with background for your TikTok videos by using CapCut. So in here I'm going to go to text and add the text first. Okay, then you can change it into your change the font into your favorite one. Okay, and then after that go to style and then go to canvas and choose which one that you want. So I'm going to choose the one with the rounded edges. Just click on that and then you can adjust the opacity. I'm going to use oops okay, I'm going to adjust the corner radius and also the height. Okay, I'm going to change the color of the text into black and have the background white. Then after that you can just adjust the position, click on the check icon. I'm going to put it in the center. Then you can also add animations to the intro text if you want. Okay, for example like that, and after that you are pretty much done. That is how you can make an opening text with background in CapCut. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe. Bye.